to the Vital PBX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up outbound routes in the Vital PBX phone system. To begin, log in to Vital PBX. From the dashboard, click on PBX. Click on the Calls Routing tab, then click on Outbound Routes from the dropdown. We're going to create 3 routes for a standard PBX setup. For the first route, we'll create a 10-11-digit dialing rule. For the description, type in 10/11-digit dialing rule. Select Voxtelesys as your SIP trunk. Fill in pattern 1 and 2 like this. Click on Save. Then click on the refresh icon here. For the second route, we'll create a 911/922/988 dialing rule. For the description, type in 911/922/988 dialing rule. Select Voxtelesys as your SIP trunk. Fill in pattern 1 as 911, fill in pattern 2 as 922, fill in pattern 3 as 988. Click on Save, then click on the refresh icon here. For the third route, we'll create an international dialing rule. For the description, type in International Dialing Rule. Select Voxtelesys as your SIP trunk. Fill in pattern 1 like this. Click on Save, then click on the refresh icon here. Congratulations! You've successfully set up outbound routes in the Vital PBX phone system. Check back for more helpful videos on Vital PBX, as well as other helpful guides.